Hello students, today we are going to study about CSS. Now what do you mean by CSS? Actually, the full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. I repeat it again. The full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. Now, why we are using this? Actually, a CSS is a template of font and layout settings to apply a standardized look and feel to HTML documents. Now for applying this, click on Composer. Now this is your over here. I'm going to save my file and page title will be CSS. Now click on OK. Now again a dialog box is been here. Over here I'm going to save my file on desktop and the file name is CSS. Now you can see on the title bar you have to click on CSS editor. And you can change your you can select your CSS in which area you have to select you have to apply your CSS. Right now I'm going to take as H1. Now create style sheet, click on. Now this will be your layout. Now over here you can see many boxes are the text, background, borders, box, list and URL. First of all I'm going to take a text. Is all these things we can select our we can apply our CSS. First of all I'm going to take our text, and in text also we can select your font family, font weight, font style, case, alignment, text decoration, font size, line height, color. This all things we can change it over here, and you can see whatever we are going to change it, we can get the preview in bottom where we can see the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I've selected use custom font family. Now from there I'm going to select my font size. Now you can see change has been there. Now font size I'm going to take as it by default it will be in percentage 100%, and you can see the preview below the. Now I've taken 200. Now you can see the size has been increased. Now in case if I want to change the color, click over here color. I've selected as red. That means my font color will be in a red. Now next is font weight. If I want this to be in a bold, you can see I can select it as a bold, font style as normal, and case as uppercase. Uppercase means all the letters will be in a capital letter. Now if I'm selecting capitalize, you can see the first letter will be in a capital, but I want this to be in uppercase. And alignment as a heading, I will be taking it as a center. Now in text decoration, overline, that means if I'm selecting overline, line through, underline, but right now I want this to be in underline. Now I'm going to select go for background. In background, that means background color. If you want to change the background color, you can select from here, or else instead of that, if you want to select a background image, you can click over here in choose file. So automatically you will be getting you can select any of your images from your laptop or a computer. I am going to take this as my background image. Now you can see many positions will be there. I want this to be in a left position, center. I've selected center and position center. That means the center position of the image will be displayed as a background. Now I'm going to select as a for backgrounds. In background style, I'm going to take as double. Uh, and width. If you want to change the width, you can change over here. If you want to change the color, you can select any of the color. Okay, I'm going for box, list, overall. In this way, you can select any of your favorite things. That means wherever we can change. Now I'm going to click on OK button. Now you can see directly there is no changes has been applied to your page. For applying it, you have to select over here, choose paragraph format, and in that I have selected as head H1, that means heading. So I have to select the H1 heading. Now you can see background has been there. Now I'm going to write as here as registration form. Now you can see whatever things I've written or I have applied, this has been seen over here. The whole thing will be in a capital letter underline form, and you can see the whatever background I've selected, this has been applied over here. Now control plus a save. I'm going to save it. Now if you want to see how your web page will be looking with your CSS, click on browse option, which is over in your title bar, sorry, in menu bar. Now it will be opening in your default web browser. Now you can see this is my final output. That means I have taken it as H1, so I am getting the output in my H1 heading. If I will be taking in a paragraph, you can see directly if you have to select over here heading, and you can select your paragraph. Now this is my code. That means after clicking over here in source, you can see whatever CSS I have applied, the whole thing is in a code. That means there is no need of writing each and every code. Instead of writing your code, you can directly select, drag and paste it. This is the use of CSS. In short, CSS we can say that it is a perfect applying styles for your HTML documents. And the full form of HTML is hypertext markup language.